What's up, you guys? This is your boy JB back with another one. Today we will be reviewing Reference 2 by Mastering the Mix. I love this company. I love this company. I love this company. Seriously, they got some of the best insight tools that I love to use to do my mixes, you guys. Leveling, all of that. All the metering that I really like. Some of them are from this company. So let's check this out. Reference 2, mastering and mixing utility plugin, and it is hitting for $51. $51. So if you guys have $51 laying around, get this. Seriously, I love this plugin. I've been using it since it came out. So you have the insight, all of that. Again, $51 is, that's not really taxing you that much at all compared to other plugins. And you can put up to 12 references in here as well, and show you your EQ, your loudness, show you your peak. Yeah, let's look at the plugin. Boom. So here we go. We got the session open and reference inserted on the mix bus here, the last instance, right? So first and foremost, you can see it's pretty easy. You can plugin wise, let's kind of just go over the cosmetics. Oh, you can widen it up. Oh, let's make it a little big boy. Let's go for the blind folks. I mean, visually impaired people. All right, so boom. It got some settings. Let's take a look at the settings. You got tools. I'm just skimming over them, you guys, seeing what's new in here. I want to keep it on mirror all the time, default to mirror, and it mirrors to your session, to your DAW. So if you start at 26 seconds, the reference is going to start at 26 seconds, and so on and so forth. It's showing the meter. Okay, the loop is at -6. That's fine. That's fine. True peak. That's fine. Peak. Okay, let's go short term. Yes. Line up. I'm just making all the quick short meter. Let's go. Yeah, keep it at that. Let's see if we can match. No, let's see the difference. The width on, the pad dots on, automatic. Okay, scale. Cool. Save. The key is basically telling you to put your code and stuff. Oh snap, I done showed y'all my stuff. You thought you was finna say it. I'm editing that out, baby. But you can see some of the help stuff. What's this? Oh, shrink it down. That's dope. Then you have like your lit meter in here. You can adjust. Oh, okay, so you can adjust your output. You can do it yourself, but we're not gonna do that. Leave it at 0. Get your looper here. Like I said, you can change. We already did all of that. It's showing you your loops over here. Let's see. You can input a track. It's self-explanatory, you guys. Like, there's nothing. The cool thing I did notice with this plugin is down here at the very bottom. Check this out. Your Trinity settings. So you can see the level line. Basically, if you get, say for instance, it'll show you if you have less bottom end or more top end, less mid range, whatever. It's going to show you compared to your reference, which is nice. Then they have the punch dots, which, as you can see, these little tiny prickly little dots here, they move. And let's see, I'll show you more, and it'll show you like which area is being compressed, if it's more punchy or it's over compressed compared to your reference. Then you have your stereo width, which would be like this big blue blob in the middle coming from this line, just showing you the width, like saying that, hey, your mid range is spread it out a lot. Your top end has a lot of width to it as well. Your mid range or your bottom end got a lot of width to it, or not. It's just straight mono. It'll show you. Then as you can see on my arrow, you see this S. Okay, so I can solo. So I can pick a section and just highlight it and solo just these frequencies, which also helps you train your ears. You can put your favorite reference in it, major record, or your own mix, and study the low end to compare it, which is nice. And of course you can put presets in here you can have presets compared to, you can drop in all your lit records that, let's say you're working on a hip hop record, you can put other hip hop records in here that you want to use as references and save it as a preset, so you don't have to worry about it again. Just pull up the preset. Dope, right? That's dope. So you won't have to keep looking for those reference tracks. All right, so what else we have? Oh, this send me to the website. We already there, baby. We don't need no help. We already there. I'm clicking on everything. You can click reset. We know what reset is. All right, so that's pretty much everything you can click on. So you can add your track here, or you can just drag and drop, or you can click on this as well. So let's bring it up. Let's bring in all of these babies. Boom. Nice. It's cool that it already hit mirror, already set for mirror in the settings, because free meaning that it's just gonna go stop and start as please. Let's align the tracks. Oh, so that's dope. So you know how you got tracks that, who knows, you may end up having a track that started a little too early. Obviously this one has some track align, so let's do that on all. Let's track align all the tracks. Oh, one click, this all did everything right there. Level match. With the level match, let's go. So you just hover over it. Okay, so let's go all track. Okay, boom, level match, and let's go to -14 loose. Yeah, let's go. What else? Also, you got the shortcut key that they added that I love. Basically, you can hit the left arrow, or you can set it how you want to. Right here, you see it. Original, the toggle shortcut is the cursor left. Save. So you hear me clicking away. Boom. All right, so let's take a listen from the get-go. So let's click. See, it's on free, right? Let's go back to Miro. Make sure that everything is on Miro, because I wanted to start at the beginning. See, now it should start at the beginning. So obviously that reference is totally different because the mix is different. Or I can manually go in there and adjust it, and I can slide it over if needed. I'm not going to do that right now. We're just going to deal with it. But let's see what we can do. Boom, boom. Oh, it's because it's on free. Why did it go back to free when I only mess with one?
God is weed, and that's all he need. Calls it therapy. Find his peace at the bottom of a bottle, but it's temporary. I give him love, but he can't smoke it. When he hit the blunt, he don't even know what it is. Too hard to see.
So, and also, if you pay attention to the bottom here, the analyzer down here, you can see, you see how the dots, they moving. Check out the movement of the dots. You can see like the low end is, the low end of the reference, the low end of my mix is very dynamic compared to the reference. With the light, you see how the dots are going upward. Same with my mid-range. The mid-range is coming down.
God is weed, and that's all he need. Calls it therapy. Find his peace at the bottom of a bottle.
So obviously my top end is a little more compressed, which is dope. That's dope. So, and then you can show the width of it, which is nice. It's showing you automatically like the spread.
that's all he need. Calls it therapy. Find his peace at the bottom of a bottle, but it's temporary. I give him love, but can't smoke it. When he hit the blunt, he don't even notice. Too hard to see, we both are suffering.
Which is pretty dope. You know, the plugin is self-explanatory, you guys. Like, it's not hard to understand what it does and what it is and what it's for. It's a referencing type plugin that you can put all your reference in. You have all of them organized in one place, and they're not holding up extra tracks inside of your session that, like I did before. Boom, boom, boom. As you can see, I'm gonna show you. Boom. You see those dots? These are old references that I had, and I can easily put those over here, but I don't want to put those. I don't want to get flagged for YouTube, you guys. So also, I'm going to say this, take the time out right now. If you are still watching, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I want you to put reference to in the comments below for a chance to win a reference to. And this is sponsored by Mastering the Mix. They are going to give you a free reference to on them, and you guys, like, spam it, and we're gonna pick and see who's the winner. Spam it, reference to, put 1,000 of them, I don't care. Spam reference to in the comments below, and I got you. Enter the win. And make sure you share this, tell your friend, tag a friend. Yeah, that's what you got to do. Tag a friend, share it, tag a friend, and put reference to for watching it this far, you guys. So also, one more thing that they add that is dope for this plugin that I did see is they added another plugin to kind of go with this. So let's go here. So now I can keep my mix in here, and it's called reference send. Ref send, but reference send. So click here for help, but we're just gonna put it at the front. So you make sure you put on the front insert, the first insert over your chain. So this is my master bus. So I got reference send at the top and reference to at the last send. So it's all the processing is between the two. So now I can just reference the mix compared to what I'm actually doing on my master bus, right? So check this out. And now all of a sudden you see reference send here. And check a line, leave all of that. Boom, boom, boom. And we should be good to go. Let's take a listen.
Got his weed.
Which makes sense because the only thing on this master bus is a limiter, and I'm doing some other stuff, but that's pretty much it. L2, and I'm using some, it's nothing, it's just some, what can I say, what is it? It's basically like some harmonics type things that I'm using, but you can see the difference. Slight but nothing. It's on the curve.
Got his weed, and that's all he need. Calls it therapy. Find his peace at the bottom of a bottle.
So you can hear it adjusting. You see it adjusted it.
I give him love, but he can't smoke it when he hit the blunt.
Pretty dope, you guys. Again, it's self-explanatory. It's a dope plugin to put all your references in. You can see how to use it, and it's definitely useful, you guys. So again, make sure you spam reference to, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, turn on the notifications, tag a friend, and let's just be great, you guys. So remember, mixing is an art. Be you, stay true. I'm Mal. Well, I ain't out, I'm still here, but you know.